Let's do question number 6, students. We've been given secant x over root of cos 2x times dx, and we have to integrate this. Now what I wish to do is I would like to utilize this formula. We know that cos 2x is cos squared x negative sin squared x. So this is going to be equal to secant x dx over root of cos squared x negative sin squared x. This can be further rewritten as secant x dx divided by, I'm going to take cos squared x out, so that would give me 1 negative sin squared x over cos squared x. Now bring cos squared x out, so that would give me 1 over cos x times secant x times dx divided by root of 1 negative sin over cos is tan, you got sin squared cos squared, so this is going to be tan squared x, and you have to integrate. Now 1 over cos x is nothing but secant x, so this is going to be secant x times dx divided by root of 1 negative tan squared x. This can be rewritten as secant squared x over root of 1 negative tan squared x times dx. Now I can substitute tan x to be equal to some t. So if I differentiate tan x, I get secant squared x dx is equal to dt. So this is going to be, in place of secant squared dx, I'm going to substitute dt divided by root of 1 negative, in place of tan x you substitute t, that's going to be t squared. Now this is integral dx over root of 1 negative x squared, that's nothing but sine inverse of x, right? So in this case it's going to be sine inverse of t, and this is equal to, my t is tan x, so substitute tan x. So this is the final answer for this question. This is a lovely question, students.